I'm not going to commit to a very solid line, something like that. Okay. And a bit of gray on this. And I don't want it to be tremendously mixing with red, so I'm not going to touch red too much. I'm cleaning my brush by squeezing it and washing it here. And I'm adding some clear water to that gray. Okay, the same thing happens actually at the bottom. I'm gonna, while I have my mix, add a little bit more blue to it, actually. And I'm going to create a bit more water, going to create the bottom bit. While I do the bottom bit, I compare the size of the bottom to the size of my square here, rectangle. How many times roughly I can fit it here? Maybe, I don't know, 3. It's about 1/3 of that thing. So I make a mark somewhere around here, make a lovely kind of line, and connect that way and that way. Now I have lots of things spilling around there, watercolory bits. So I'm going to put quite a bit of water there. So I'm squeezing my brush. Oops, working moment. And I don't want to go too much into the orange, so I'm careful not to touch the orange with water. So I'm just spreading a bit of liquid here. And I'm going to go into my gray. I'm going to sit it where I see the darkest bits of gray. And here as well. That sort of thing. Now I can see the darker bits towards the corner. I'm going to go really dark. I'm going to go blue and perhaps brown and perhaps black. Something really saturated. And I'm going to drop it right there in that moisture. Something like that. And more into that one as well. Okay. So my bottom is more or less here.